Hello friends, welcome to my channel Bioknowledge with Dhanashree. Today our topic is the search for genetic material or Oswald-Avery experiment. So what is this experiment? Yes, the search for genetic material, DNA or protein. The searching for the genetic material. Yes. So here, before this experiment, yes, Griffith performed series of experiment on Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria that is responsible for pneumonia disease in mammals. So he taken that bacteria and cultured on medium plate. He found two types of colonies. Rough colony and smooth colony. So when observed under microscope, he found two types of colony, rough colony and smooth colony. Why he given the name? Because of the appearance. Okay, so why? Because this is smooth. What is present in smooth and rough that gave the shape? So mucopolysaccharide is present on the coat that give the smooth appearance to that bacteria, and here that is absent in rough colony. So smooth colony is virulent in nature, that is virulent in nature, and rough colony is avirulent in nature. So he performed series of experiment. He taken particularly S strain, S3 strain, and for that R2 strain he taken. So when he taken S3 strain, yes, S3 strain, live S3 strain, when he injected into mice, death of mice occurred. Yes, when he taken R, live R2 strain, injected into mice, what happened? Mice remain healthy, mice lived, no death of mice. Then what he did, he take a live 3S strain and he heat killed that. Okay, so he heat killed S strain, S3 strain, and injected into mice. What should occur? Yes, so here mice remain healthy, lived, mice lived, because whatever present is there, we have heat killed, means that Griffith heat killed that. So mice remain healthy, mice lived. After that, what he did, here is the main thing what he did in the last experiment. He taken heat killed 3S strain plus live R2 strain. Heat killed 3S strain plus live R2 strain. And he injected into mice. So what should occur? The death of mice had happened. Death of mice. So what may be the reason? Reason is like here S3 strain is causing the death. But here not the S3 strain. Here is a heat kill. But something is present in the heat kill strain that converted live R2 strain into live 3S strain. Because of that, death of mice occurred. So he said, Griffith said, something is transforming, some compound is transforming from heat kill 3S strain to live 2R strain that converted to live 3S strain. Okay, so that may be the transforming principle that he called as a transforming principle. What is transformation? The transfer of naked DNA from one cell to another cell, that is called as a transformation. But scientific community not agreed with this point. They said that something something contamination is there, the results are not 100% true, so they have not accepted this experiment. So after that, after some 10 years of research, yes, Oswald-Avery et al. Experiment, means Oswald-Avery, the scientist, yes, US microbiologist, Oswald-Avery and with his colleagues, they performed the experiment. Now we will see that. We will see now Oswald-Avery et al. Experiment. These three scientists, Oswald-Avery and with his colleagues Colin MacLeod, Maclean, McCarthy, in 1944. About after 10 years of research, in 1944 at Rockefeller Institute in New York, they made the momentous announcement that the genetic material was DNA. Okay, how they have done this experiment, we will see now. So they have extracted the digestive enzymes. Okay, they have done the experiment with the digestive enzyme. Now we will see. Okay, now we will see what actual Oswald Avery experiment. Yes, they have taken the heat kill 3S strain. Remember from the Griffith experiment, like S3 strain, that is heat kill. Okay, they had taken the heat kill 3S strain and they added the digestive enzymes. Okay, that will digest something accordingly. Okay, so here protease, RNase and DNase. They have taken these three digestive enzymes. Yes, so protease. So in the heat kill 3S strain, they added the protease enzyme. So what it will do, it will degrade all the protein, it will destroy all the protein present in that solution. So they got the solution that in that solution no protein is present. Okay, so they had taken that heat kill 3S strain, in that no protein is there. They added with the live R2 strain, okay, and injected into mice. So death of mice has happened, death of mice occurred. So next, heat kill 3S strain, they had taken the RNase enzyme and they had added the RNase enzyme to that heat kill 3S strain. Means all the RNA has destroyed, uh, means completely destroyed that RNA. Okay, after that they had taken the heat kill 3S strain, in that no RNA is present, and R2, live R2 strain, live R2 form. So they had injected into mice, death of mice occurred. Okay, again after that they had taken the DNase enzyme. They had taken the DNase enzyme and they had introduced into the heat kill 3S strain. Means all the DNA present in that solution was destroyed. Okay, so after that heat kill 3S strain, that no DNA is present, and live R2 strain, they are mixed and injected into the mice. Mice remain healthy, mice lived. Okay, so here the actual experiment concluded that the DNA is a genetic material. Yes, that's why whenever the DNA is there, that time mice died. Okay, when the DNA is destroyed, mice remain healthy, mice lived. Okay, from this experiment, that Oswald Avery, means his colleagues and Oswald Avery, they have concluded that 100% DNA is the genetic material, and they had made the momentous announcement that DNA was a genetic material. Okay, but again scientific community not agreed with this point. Okay, they had said some contamination is there. Okay, they have not rejected this experiment completely but not agreed totally also. Okay, so this is all about the Oswald Avery experiment. Okay, so after some 10 years of experiment, in 1952 Hershey Chase experiment came that completely said that DNA was a genetic material. This is all about the Oswald Avery experiment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my channel Bioknowledge with Dhanashree. We'll see next video in coming days. Thank you.